My acquaintances, today I'm going to be unboxing the Glamlite Chocolate Factory box packaging. Glamlite's always had A1 packaging. There we go. So it's got like some chocolate factory thing on the box. We've got bubble wrap. And they printed a golden ticket. Up to the bottom. So here's a little donut. This is lashes. Ooh. So there's 3 pairs of lashes in here. Oh, these are pretty. So these chocolate lashes, and ultra gorgeous full infinite luminous lashes. Every lash is designed and handcrafted using the highest and softest quality of synthetic fibers. Our 3D lashes are the perfect way to add volume, length, and versatility to your eyelashes. These ones are kind of more feathered out. The S'mores highlighter contour palette. Give your face the ultimate glow. Our S'mores palette is like the perfect intro trio to contour and highlight your favorite packaging. And then the inside is like a graham cracker, and it's got the inside of the s'more on that. And then you open it up, and the plastic stuck to the top and wasn't covering the thing, but and you got chocolate, marshmallows, and graham cracker. And the texture of the chocolate, they put like a bar imprint in there. Chocolate candy bar lashes. I'm not sure what these ones look like. So you open them up. Okay. These ones are a lot thinner. The thinner, shorter version of these ones. So I don't know if I'll be keeping all 3 of these lashes. I might give some away. They're donut palettes. This is the chocolate donut version. This one I know for a fact that I'm giving away because I don't really use browns that much. And if I do, like, I don't need a whole nother palette of them, to be honest with you. I'd rather just give it away to somebody who I know is going to use it. And this part magnets open, and then this is the actual palette. It's got like cushiony, kind of smells, but that's just because it's, you know, factory sealed and everything. So you open it up. It is really, really pretty. It's got these really pretty shimmers in it and a highlighter, and it's got a mirror, and we have hot chocolate lip gloss. I think they have this as a regular product. I don't think this one's exclusive to it though. Oh, I don't think I opened this correctly, but I love the packaging. It's really cute and chic. It says Glamlite on it, and then it's got opens up like that with gloss on it. So this one's really cute too, and I think this one's exclusive to the box here. And again, same packaging, and that's what that looks like. The inside has like, it's all decorated inside the package. So that's really neat. And yeah, so that's about, I mean, their palettes are usually like, this be like 20. And then these are usually, their lashes are 12 each. So that would already be like 36. And then these, I believe, are $8 to $12. So this box was $45, so it retails well over what it would be, even with it being like exclusives. Anyways, I just did it's not Hanukkah anymore, but we all needed extra little bit of extra holiday spirit this year. So, like I said, I'm not swatching this because I'm giving it away. Just did like a neutral brown. I looked with similar shades off camera using different palettes because I don't want to touch like the inside of this. This shade Chocolate Sprinkles is almost like holographic, like brown with holographic glitter in it, which is really cool. I've never seen that before. Floors palette. Alright. So, this is a contour and highlighting palette and bronzing palette. But okay, the graham cracker shade is meant for bronzing. But for me, it looks more like a highlighter for darker skin tones. Contour shade, which could also be a really pretty eyeshadow shade. And Marshmallows, which is the highlighter shade. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's almost orange, like an orange reflect. What do you call that? That might have just ruined everything, but okay, we're gonna move on. Tulips. So, I believe this is just a lipstick, and this is a lip gloss. So, do it on the lips, then do the lip gloss. Where is it? That's this. Oh, this is a lip gloss 100% as well. So it comes with 2 lip glosses. It's kind of pretty though. It does have that artificial chocolate flavor. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. I don't like this one. It's not the worst. It just, to let you know, that is, it does have that. So, I guess I shouldn't put the s'mores one on top of it since they're both glosses. It's got s'mores on the bottom there. And it's more of like a red tone. Maybe that's what the s'mores one looks like. It has like gold flakes in it, which is pretty cool. Chocolate look. I'm gonna use this donut this is called donut lashes. Yeah, donut lashes. Oh, the lighting changed. The old Kiss strip lash adhesive. And just, I can't really tell if these are even all the way across or if one side is supposed to be. I look like the green M&M.
Green M&M knocks on your door and knock, knock, knock.
No, they're pretty. Let's just go through it. Price? 5 out of 5. Not that you get is well worth the money, you know. And then shipping was pretty fast. I'm gonna give that 4.5 out of 5 because they said it was shipped, and then like I got an email saying it was shipped, and it wasn't shipped yet. And then I got like another email saying it was shipped, so that's the only reason it's getting a 4.5 instead of a 5 out of 5. But it was pretty fast. Quality, 5 out of 5. Packaging, 5 out of 5. You know, they kid it with the packaging every time. That's kind of what they're known for. And it's like a 4.8 out of 5. You know that. Bye. Subscribe. See you later, all you haters.